Alright, good morning everybody. The time is 1:58. The date is Thursday, March 26th, 2020. And the reason for this particular video is because it's been a while since I've done a Mind Capital update. And I had a few people ask me during this turbulent time what's happening with Mind Capital. So I thought it'd be a good idea to give everybody a quick little update. To get started, if you're watching this on YouTube, please subscribe to my channel. And also like this video, share this video if you choose to. You can also find me on Facebook. Address is facebook.com/Tyrone Network. THYRONE Network, NETWORK. Alright. So first of all, what is Mind Capital? Mind Capital is it's a passive income Bitcoin program. The cost to actually sign up for an account is $0. But to earn passively, you got to make a contribution between $100 being the minimum and the maximum being $100,000. On average, you will earn passive income of approximately 0.5% to 1.5%, and this is paid daily from Monday to Friday. They do not pay out on weekends. For anybody who's watched my videos in the past, you know that I'm just going to share the details with you. I don't edit any of my videos, so I'm not one of these super professional YouTubers that's going to go through a ton of trouble to make all this stuff perfect. I just record a video, have a conversation with you guys. If you like what you see, terrific. If you don't, then I respect that as well. So I'm going to pull up my Mind Capital account to give you guys an update. If you scroll down on my timeline here on my Facebook page, that's where you'll see my original Mind Capital account. It was started back in December, and I thought it'd be a great idea to do an update now, especially given the turbulent times in the respective markets, that being the stock market, also even in the cryptocurrency market as well. And usually, based on my experience, this is typically a time where we determine if a company has the capabilities to stick around or not, especially if they are doing what they say they are doing. Now, I gotta preface by saying that this particular program is not for everybody. It's extremely high risk. It's the reason why there's the potential to earn 1.5% daily on your contribution. So it's very high risk. And that's important that I mention that, because I don't want anybody to be taking their rent money or their mortgage money and spending it on a program like this. That would be very irresponsible in my opinion. So it's important that if you are going to risk any capital, it is capital that you are comfortable with losing. God forbid this program does not stick around for as long as I expect it to stick around for. So I'm not going to go into too many details about what the program is. You can see that on other videos where it really breaks down really what the program is and how they're capable of paying everybody that contributes the amount of the return that they get. Now, I got some information early this morning about Mind Capital being inside of the news. So I want to start off by sharing that piece of information. So here it is. It's a posting on finance.yahoo.com. It's from Madrid, Spain. And it reads, since the coronavirus alert was triggered in China in late 2019, the markets have suffered an unprecedented global downturn, a downturn that does not, however, affect trading results in crypto fiat arbitrage. And that is according to the company Mind Capital. The situation that is being experienced has the fear as a protagonist in various aspects of society. The measures that have been taken in order to put an end to it have generated a situation of historical crisis. Businesses and companies, both global and local, have been affected, and the brake on the economy at all levels is more than evident, even more with the uncertainty and fear that generates some unknown end and consequences. So all markets have suffered historic losses, and virtually no market has been spared. The real estate market, the international stock market, gold, even Bitcoin itself, which has long been defined by lovers of the crypto world as a refuge value, has suffered one of its biggest falls, up to 20% in a single day. So not to mention other crypto activities such as Ether, or referred to as Ethereum, which has even lost 30%. And this is not only according to Mind Capital, this is just what the numbers show. Now, the reason for these falls has undoubtedly been the fear that has driven crypto users to sell looking for more liquidity at a time of great current uncertainty and lack of information about when and how the recovery from normality will begin. Paradoxically, in a situation of debacle in most markets, products based on the crypto market, especially crypto fiat arbitrage, such as Mind Capital, not only resists but have not been affected, since positive results in arbitrage operations are possible thanks to two factors. Those factors are the decentralization of the market itself and the fluctuations in the value of both crypto and fiat currency. Now, decentralization is part of the very nature of this market, and the fluctuations in value not affected by the crisis, since although crypto activities have been less quoted, volatility only favors arbitrage strategies. And it appears that maybe this information came from the CEO of Mind Capital, and that is Gonzalo García-Pelayo. And they're located in Spain. Now, just to kind of speak a little bit to the details of what that site's referring to when it comes to the price of the cryptocurrency, the market has significantly dropped. You can see Bitcoin's current price at $6,645.69. If you take a look at Bitcoin and then you look at the chart for the last, we'll call it 1 month, you can see where that price was, which was approximately $9,000. It had a strong fall all the way down to $4,400, and you're slowly seeing it begin to move up in an upward trajectory. So it's still early to be seen in terms of what we expect the price of Bitcoin to be. However, from the time that it dropped about 30% in a day, it has started to climb its way out of that hole. Okay, so let's look specifically at Mind Capital website. So this is the Mind Capital website. Mind Capital is the first crypto fiat platform in the world. Gives you the option here to create an account. I will leave a link either at the bottom of this video, or depending on where you see it, you should be able to find a link somewhere. But this is the website. We're going to log in now and see exactly how my particular account is performing. When you set up your account, if you do, I highly recommend that you use two-step authentication. So let me get my authentication code. Just bear with me here for one quick moment while I grab that. I use Google Authenticator. I find it to be the best two-step authentication app to use. And this generates a new code for you, and this is for improved security. Okay, that's not correct. It may have timed out. Give me another try here. I just got a new number. I highly recommend this to set this up, regardless if you're using Mind Capital or any other kind of crypto platform. My strongest recommendation is to use two-step verification. Now, as you can see, my contribution have increased since the initial contribution of $1,000. You can see that my total profits earned have been $643.77. And it's important for me to comment and let everybody know that since the time that I made my initial contribution, which was just $1,000, it has been consistently earning passive income on a daily basis. This chart here represents what the profitability was of my contributions since day over day. It breaks it down. Like I mentioned, you're going to notice this gap here that represents Saturday and Sunday, but from Monday to Friday you're consistently earning. So these are what my earnings look like from a daily basis. This is not buy a Lamborghini money by no means, but the cool thing about this is I've been able to kind of set it and just forget it. Got a little bit of referral income coming in. I had a good friend of mine also see what I saw and decided to get started. He's doing very well in the program as well. So far so good. So you'll notice the difference between my total profits and my contribution. The difference is this amount here that has not been compounded to this total, and also a withdrawal that I've already made. So interestingly enough, I've contributed on 2 cases in a row. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to do a withdrawal here. Yeah, that's what I'm going to do. I'm actually going to do a withdrawal here. So bear with me. Again, there's some more data that's here. It's one of the things I like a lot about the program is the breakdown of the data that you get. This represents the percentage distributed to all Mind Capital members from Monday to Friday. So what I want to do is I want to go ahead and attempt to do a withdrawal. I'm going to withdraw this to my ShakePay account. ShakePay is one of the wallets that I use. It's specific to Canadians. I'll leave my link in the description as well if you don't have an account that you use to not only buy cryptocurrency, sell cryptocurrency, but in my opinion it's a decent place to keep your cryptocurrency as well. I do keep a lot of my stuff on cold storage. However, that's something you could do as you become a little bit more advanced, depending on what your level is. So this is my link for Mind Capital. I'll post it. And let's go ahead and move forward with processing this withdrawal. Okay, it's been a while since I've done this, so please bear with me. Withdraw funds, enter the address of the wallet where you want it to be sent. I gotta get that from ShakePay. ShakePay logged me out. That's okay. Let me just log back in. I didn't really want to have to do this on a recording, but that's okay. I'm gonna just bite the bullet here. Come on. Again, you can see here I also have 2-step verification set up on ShakePay as well. Highly recommended. If you don't know how that's done, I can make a video on how to set up 2-step verification, but again, it's something that I highly recommend. You can see that there's activity inside of this account as recent as March 25th, and today is March 26th. I sent some Bitcoin, I bought some Bitcoin, I've done some different things. Okay, so you can see here that these wallets are empty. That's important because I want to do a transfer right now from Mind Capital to ShakePay, and then I will transfer the funds from ShakePay to my bank account. So I want to add funds, I want to add Bitcoin, I can only send Bitcoin to that address. Let me copy it, put it in Mind Capital. There you go. I'm going to try to withdraw this entire balance if I can. Let's see. What will it let me do? Okay, it's showing me that I could do $80, which is perfectly fine with me. Now, let's see. I got to put in my two-step authentication again. This is for security purposes. This is good. If this stuff bothers a lot of people, it doesn't bother me at all. I think it's good. It improves the level of security that comes along with it. I put my address in for where I want the funds to go. Now you can see that current balance. So that $80 was sent from my Mind Capital current balance to my ShakePay account. The time is 2:14. I might pause this video here for a moment, and as soon as the funds arrive in ShakePay, then I will come right back and show you. So I'm expecting it to appear right here, the total amount of BTC, and then it will tell me the total amount in Canadian funds. So the time is 2:14. Let's just see anything else that I want to show you guys. Okay, again, it shows you my contributions. I compound my contributions for the most part. I have a little strategy. It's personal, but I want to basically contribute, withdrawal. It's kind of the rhythm that I've had for a little while. It's important for me to not be greedy, try to not keep all my eggs in this particular basket with Mind Capital, not for any particular reason, but just because it's my personal preference. So do what works best for you. Okay, so very quickly, let me go ahead and pause this video, and then I will come back to it in a moment once the funds have hit ShakePay. The time is 2:15. The date is Thursday, March 26, 2020. All right, everybody. Time is 2:27, and look, at this point in the video, if you've not subscribed to the channel, subscribe to my channel. Take a look at some of my other videos, and don't forget to smash up the like button. Under ShakePay, you can see that I have received the Bitcoin. It's been sent directly to my wallet. It was received right here, $109.37 BTC. That's the value in Canadian dollars. You could take this, if you want to determine how much that is in USD, I could do BTC to USD, and that lets me know it's a total of $77.86 US worth of Bitcoin was just sent to my ShakePay account. So very quick, automation's in place. There's no waits, there's no delays, not a manual approval, no BS like that, but receive the funds automatically from Mind Capital. Another successful withdrawal. So again, just wanted to make sure I updated everybody on my progress. I know there's some haters that are not going to be happy that not only is Mind Capital still paying out profits from Monday to Friday on a consistent basis, but we can also do withdrawals, and that's happening right now during a very turbulent time in the marketplace. So that for me particularly gives me a lot more confidence in the program. It makes me feel pretty good to be able to create a video like this and share it with anybody who's at a high risk tolerance. So this is not for the weak. You could literally send, $2,000 in Mind Capital, and this whole program could shut down tomorrow. I have to say that's just who I am. Just want to make sure I keep it real for everybody. So again, not crazy in terms of the payout in terms of a daily basis, but the return on investment is exceptional. I'm going to continue my same strategy, which includes compounding the daily profits and then doing a casual withdrawal once in a while. So again, if you're not following me on Facebook, this is where you can find me. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, smash up the like button. If you have any questions, comments, feel free to leave them below the video. Mind Capital is in the news. Mind Capital is still generating daily profits, and Mind Capital is still processing withdrawals. So with that being said, thanks for your time. Have an awesome day. Talk to you soon. Cheers.